What's up, guys? It is snowing in Seattle today. We have a snow day. I got out this morning, shot a bunch of photos. Here. I'm in between traffic jams, so we're gonna get a photo of a streetcar with the snow. It's gonna kind of be that blizzard feel. Found this corner right here, so as it comes around, the front of the car will be facing me, and then it'll kind of have the back end trailing off. I have the Smith Tower that's gonna be in the corner. I have it framed up really well. I've already shot some cars just to kind of test the comp and make sure that my settings are all correct, because when that train comes, I only have really one chance, and I think it comes about every 15 or 20 minutes. So we'll just wait on that train, and when it comes through, let's get that shot. Just like that. Now I'm going to show you one more trick. Snow's flying pretty good, but we're going to make it look more like a blizzard. And I'll show you that next step. Alright, step 2. So I've got a black backdrop. You can use a sheet or whatever you have. It just needs to be black. Because what we're going to do is find the zipper first. But what we're going to do, set this up, and we're just going to shoot photos of the snow falling. So just simply, it's easy, it's just, oh, there goes the cover. Well, we'll just wait for this wind gust to go away. Oh boy. This has been tougher than I thought it would be, because we got so much wind, it keeps blowing this thing around. We're just gonna wait for snow flurries to come through. We're gonna fill the frame and just shoot away. So now you just gotta be patient. It kind of stopped snowing, but I was able to get a few shots when it was coming down before I got it recorded, but you get the idea. All right, now that we have all of our photos that look like this, we're gonna take those from Lightroom, we're gonna hop into Photoshop, we're gonna blend it with that shot of the streetcar. It's gonna look like a blizzard and all that cool stuff. So let's jump into Photoshop and I'll show you how. It's super easy. All right, let's go. So we have our first image in here, and we're just gonna drop these guys. So I picked a couple snowflake photos that I really liked. Got this one, and it's as simple as this. So we're just gonna head over to the blend mode. We're gonna go to screen, and we're gonna come down to this one. We're gonna go to screen, just like that. And you can adjust kind of wherever you want to move them around. Really simple. And you can also set the opacity. Maybe one of them's a little too much. And just play with that until you feel like it looks good. And it's as easy as that. Okay guys, so that's it. Quick and easy. Really cool way to add a little more pop to your photo, get that blizzard vibe. Anyway, if you like this type of content, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, leave me a comment, let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see, and I will see you next time. Bye.